So yeah, you getting low views on YouTube? Don't worry, you know what? I got you. So I'll be teaching you a way. There's a setting that you can turn on in your YouTube studio, so that you will let YouTube recommend your recently uploaded videos. Because I know some of you are finding it hard to be getting views on your recently uploaded videos, right? So let me show you. So yeah, let's go to our YouTube studio. Yeah, so find the browser, not the app. Okay, we are using the browser. Okay, so maybe you can use Chrome if you have Google, any of the ones you have. Type in YouTube Studio. Okay, YouTube Studio, or you can just type in YT. Okay, YT for short, YT Studio. Let's wait it for the page to load. Then after loading, you see YouTube Studio. Then you tap on it, click on it. Then you see get the app. Don't use the app. Continue to studio. Yes, click on the continue to studio. Let's wait for the continue to studio to finish loading. Okay. So yeah, after that you go to the customization section. That's under the sounds, I guess. So yeah. So under that you go to not the profile. You go to home tab. Click on the home tab. Yeah, and the home tab. Then under the home tab you see for you. Then more settings under for you. So you click on the more settings under for you. Yes, so under the for you see content type, you see video, shorts, live stream. I don't do live stream, so it is turned off. Okay. And under that one you see recency. Yeah, something like that, recency. So under the recency you see all what content recommended, then recent content or something only. Recommend recent content only. You have to choose the recommend recent content only, because if you are actually you want more views on your recently uploaded content, right, your videos, you want more views, so you choose that one for YouTube to push your newly uploaded videos to your audience. Okay, so YouTube will start recommending your newly uploaded videos. This will actually help you to get more views on YouTube. Okay, so after that you just click on save, then publish. After that you are done. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, you like, turn on the notification, so that if I upload another video you'll be the first person to watch. Okay.